On top of the complications with applying Mill's theory, there's also difficulty that I call the problem of mass individualism. Remember, Mill is all about individuality, and he thinks allowing a high amount of freedom will allow people to develop their individuality. Now, we might have some skepticism about this, and in particular, we might think that Mill's principle could be counterproductive. Why is that the case? Well, the worry is that this isn't going to involve a certain amount of policing other people to see that they act in conformity with the harm principle. Right? So, at first glance, we might say, okay, some boycotts are okay, some aren't. But presumably, other people are going to get involved if you cross the line and start interfering with people's liberty. Right? Well, the difficulty is if we're constantly policing each other, right, to make sure we're in line with the harm principle, right, well, there might be a danger that we go into squashing any kind of nonconformity, particularly anytime someone is too fervent about a particular set of moral beliefs, right? The weight of society is going to come down on them. Right? Hence, we get the problem of what I would call mass individualism. Of course, when I say that, I immediately think of a scene from the movie The Life of Brian. Right? Here, a mob has decided that Brian is some kind of great religious leader, and they've all come outside, chased him and come outside his window and want him to talk to them. Right? And here's what he says to them at one point.